Hey folks, today's Devops SRE interview question has to do with Kubernetes. So the question is, what is the main difference between a deployment and a stateful set? The deployments are pretty easy to figure out, but stateful sets sometimes can be a little tricky. So what is the main difference? That's the question. Before I answer the question, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and I will go ahead and give you the answer now. So deployments are pretty easy concept. You have an application or something that runs on a container on a pod, and you say, okay, run 5 of these things or 10 of these things, and they can crash, they can die, they can come back up, the host can go down, and no big deal. Kubernetes will just make sure that you have n number of those pods running at any given time where you say what that n is. Easy, simple concept. But the stateful set is, if you think about databases, that makes more sense. You can't just kill the boxes that are doing database work, right? So how are we going to deal with that if a pod has to move, or if the host crashes, or the pod crashes? So Kubernetes allows you to have natively a solution for this situation, and that's called a stateful set. So it's going to get a stable host name, it's going to get a startup order, like if you kill a pod, whatever, it knows in what order it has to come up. It also gets a persistent and stable disk associated with it, right? So all of that is taken care of it by Kubernetes natively, and that's called a stateful set. So that's the difference between a deployment and a stateful set. Hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.